How to get verification badge on SoundCloud PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get verified on SoundCloud easily. First thing, go to SoundCloud. This is the home page. Now go to the top here on those three dots and click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple, just scroll down and you will find the verification badge. Now click on request verification like this, as you can see, and fill the informations right here, as you can see. Add your name and add additional links if you want, as you can see here. If there is any press articles about you or web pages or social profiles that can help them to review your online presence, then click submit and it must be verified. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.